Many users are eager to know if and when the native token will be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges following the PiCoin mainnet launch. To be blunt, no one knows for sure. As of writing, the PiCoin is still confined to its enclosed phase. This means that while users can utilize it to participate in certain PiNetwork activities and contribute to its development, they cannot trade, buy, sell, or use the tokens outside the ecosystem. As of January 21st, 2025, PiCoin is not yet listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. The PiNetwork is in the process of transitioning to its mainnet, with the launch anticipated in the first quarter of 2025. This mainnet launch is a critical step toward enabling PiCoin to be traded on major exchanges. Currently, PiCoin operates within a closed ecosystem, and its value is speculative, often represented through IOUs on certain platforms. These IOUs allow for speculative trading of PiCoin's potential future value, but do not represent actual tradable PiCoins. The PiNetwork has amassed a substantial user base, with over 13 million users having completed Know Your Customer (KYC) verification. This level of adoption is a positive indicator for the network's potential success. In summary, while PiCoin is not currently available on major exchanges, the anticipated mainnet launch in the first quarter of 2025 is expected to facilitate its listing and trading on such platforms. Until then, any trading of PiCoin remains speculative. The launch of PiCoin on major exchanges is contingent on several key factors, including the completion of the PiNetwork's mainnet development. Currently, PiCoin is not officially listed on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. However, the PiNetwork team has indicated that the mainnet launch is underway, which could pave the way for listing on major platforms. The timeline depends on factors such as 1. Mainnet completion. PiNetwork's transition to an open mainnet is crucial. This would enable the coins to become tradable beyond the closed ecosystem. 2. Regulatory compliance. Meeting the legal and technical requirements for listing on exchanges. 3. Demand and adoption. A strong user base and use cases for PiCoin increase the likelihood of exchange listings. Until these milestones are met, PiCoin trading remains speculative, and any IOUs or unofficial listings should be approached cautiously. Don't forget to click subscribe and share